Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. Just finished working out, so that's why I have this outfit on. This is my sports bra and leggings from Amazon. I think I've showed them both a couple of times. Amazon always has the best workout stuff, so I might buy another pair of leggings here soon because it's about to be summer, well, spring. Weather is going to be getting warmer soon, so I kind of want to look at their pants that are like 3/4 length, you know, and then maybe a pair of biker shorts because the ones I have 2 pairs now. I wore them so much last year that I think it's time for a new pair. But anyway, I just made the bed and I have lunch plans with Maya today, so I really need to yeah, I need to jump in the shower and then get ready because I know she's gonna be rushing me because she is very impatient. She is a very impatient friend. She's always like, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What are you doing? I'm like, bro, I haven't even put my mascara on. I really wish I could be like her and get ready fast, but I'm just not fast when I do my makeup. But I don't know, maybe I'll just take a body shower. Is that what they call it? I don't know, where you don't wash your hair. And I also want to make a protein smoothie because I can feel my blood sugar dropping and I don't want to feel sick or anything. So I'm gonna go do that really quick. I want to try the new protein powder that I bought at Target earlier in the week. Not last week, but I think it was Monday that I went there. And then I have to actually go back to Target because I ran out of allergy pills, and I don't know if you can see it, but I have hives really bad on my face. And I take Zyrtec, so whenever I run out I can immediately tell, and I only haven't taken it for 2 days. And yesterday something was wrong yesterday that involved allergies. I forget what it was. And then today I'm really raspy and I feel like I need my inhaler, and I have hives, which is weird because it's still winter. I don't know if it's because I live in Ohio and our weather is so up and down here, or if it's just I'm allergic to dust. I'm really not sure. Obviously I'm allergic to something, but when I take Zyrtec I'm fine. The only thing that sucks is it's so expensive. That's what I hate about it. Everything else is great. I have no issues when I'm taking that. So I'm gonna make my smoothie, jump in the shower, get my makeup on, and then hopefully between now and then I'll hear from Maya. I also have to do another load of laundry, so I think I'm gonna do that as well. So I keep my laundry in this gray basket in between my wall and dresser, as you can see. And I usually try to change it once a week because I have clothes, another hamper downstairs that I can separate my clothes between lights, darks, and color clothes. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I'll bring my camera downstairs and show you my little area down there. Okay, so here's the hamper. As you can see, it's light, dark, and color, just like I said. And then I've washed all of my colors, so that's good. And then I have a lot of whites to wash, and I've got some darks in here. Obviously you can't see them because well, there's a shadow and it's dark. So I got this little hamper off Amazon. I'll try to link it below because I really love it and it's changed my life. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. My name's Elizabeth. If you're new, I make a lot of fashion content and lifestyle content, so if that's your vibe, then definitely subscribe. Today is President's Day, so I usually do a little bit of thrifting and shopping with my mom and grandma on days when I don't have to be at work, so it's really nice. And I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick. My hair is still a little bit wet, but that's okay. It'll be dry here soon. It's very nice today. It's 55 degrees, which is very unusual, but we're supposed to get another snowstorm, so I'm gonna really try to enjoy today. And I don't really feel like leaving the house, but since it's so nice out, I'm forcing myself to, especially since it's supposed to get cold again. So here is the fit. I'm wearing these jeans from the thrift shop, and then this top from Shein that I got last year, and my shoes, my Converse platforms. Salvation Army because they have Zara stuff here. I don't think I've ever really found anything in this section, but I still really like to look. There's nothing worse. Well, there's a lot of things, but there aren't very many things I can think of right now that are worse than leaving the thrift shop empty-handed. So I found some Goodbye Stress gummies, and I'm really stressed out trying to show you guys. I'm gonna freaking scream. I'm not even kidding. I'm so irritated.
Let's see if they really work.
So we're gonna find out. Yeah, we're gonna find out if they work. Allegedly, this is supposed to activate a relaxed state of mind to help combat the acute effects of stress. And the, I guess, vitamin or whatever, supplement, whatever is in it, GABA. I've never heard of that. Then that's what that does. And then the L-theanine is GABA's partner in Sublime. This amino acid goes right to work in your brain to help you keep your cool. And then lemon balm, a soothing botanical that has been used for centuries to help quiet the mind. It smells like Pledge.
Uh-oh. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells vitamin-y.
They're not bad.
Is it like a gummy bear?
Yeah, the yellow one.
Oh, I wasn't ready for that.
It is.
Okay, I like it.
Not bad. Alright, so in 30 to 60 minutes, I'm supposed to notice a difference. So I'll let you know. Next time someone tells me to take a chill pill, I'm gonna take those. Okay, so I also got apple cider vinegar supplements. This is just a pill form. And they were only like $3. They're the Up and Up brand, and it smells like vinegar. Well, this doesn't, but oh my god. You know, I take a lot of pills, and I drop at least one every day. And if I don't, I drop 45 the next day. I don't take 45 pills, but it feels like it. Anyway. It smells like vinegar, the supplements.
I always wondered that. Nobody ever said.
If it smells like vinegar?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. It smells just like vinegar. I don't know what the gummies are like, because a lot of people take the gummies, but the pill itself, this is 500 milligram tablets. And if you open it up,
let me smell.
Woo! I could put that on my French fries.
Yeah.
Isn't that weird? I'm just back there gagging.
I don't like that. Oof.
My invisible sidekick. Well, I might as well just finish the Target haul since there's only a few things left.
That's true.
So this is like a wellness Target haul. I got some Zyrtec because come March 1st seems to be when my spring allergies hit me. I don't know why it's that date specifically, but if I don't have it in my system, I'll immediately break out into hives, which is funny because I ran out a couple of days ago and immediately I got hives, and it's not even March yet. So but luckily when I went to my aunt's yesterday, she had one, and so she gave me one, and then I was able to go get some today, so that worked out. So I don't have hives anymore. So when you wear contacts, you're supposed to use this really fancy contact solution. Well, I'm on a budget because I'm traveling in the end of March, so I bought
water.
I bought water, no. Okay, so I read it. I read the reviews, not the reviews, but the description on this, because the, oh, what's the name of it? It's the green, in the green bottle. I think it's called, is it Opti-Free?
I think so.
I think that's what it's called. Something like that. Opti something. Optical eyes, you know. This,
optical illusion. No.
No, that's not what it was called. Okay, so this is for sensitive eyes, I think is what it said. I thought it's not. Oh yeah, for sensitive eyes, right there, big, huge. Gentle formula, pH balanced with potassium, a component of natural tears. Oh, I didn't know that. That's interesting. Do not use as a disinfectant. Why would I use contact solution for a disinfectant?
No, maybe to clean your contacts. Aren't you supposed to put them in something to clean off the enzymes?
Well, they have like actual contact cleansing.
Yeah.
Which I've never used that.
Oh.
And then for rinsing soft or gas permeable contact lenses. I don't even know what that is, but
it's the type of lens you have. Is your contacts disposable?
No.
So you wear them 30 days?
I think they're 2-week lenses that I wear. I usually wear them a little bit longer than that, but like I said, come allergy season, I probably...
If you got that cleanser, it might give you longer wear.
That's what I was thinking. As I said, I didn't use it. I'll have to try it out.
I just remember using it when I had, and it does
really?
work because, yeah, you can see the buildup, and then when you take your lens out of the little, it's gone.
Huh. Interesting.
You have holes in your contacts, but it's not. I'm kidding.
And then, last but not least, I got, and I've already shown these on the vlogs before, I believe, protein bars. They were buy one, get one. It was either 25% off or half off, I can't remember. But these are the 2 flavors I've tried. This one is phenomenal. One morning I woke up in the middle, like 3 in the morning, starving, and I ate 2 of them because I was so hungry and I had nothing else to eat. And then this is the coconut one. This one's really good too, but this cashew butter chocolate. Oh, the chocolate chips in it are just delicious. So all of that was like $50. I used the Target Circle app, and I was able to get a $10 gift card for Target since I spent $40. If you spent $40, you got a $10 gift card. So now I have that, plus I have a $15 store credit card because I returned something and they gave me store credit for it. So I have $25 to spend at Target now. So now all of this stuff was so expensive mostly because of the Zyrtec and the vitamins. Everything else was really affordable because the contact solution for one of these that I usually get is like $10. This was only, I don't know if I have a receipt or not. I'm gonna tell you exactly how much it was. A contact solution, yeah, it's only $4. It's $3.89 for 2 of these. So I really hope that it works for me because that other contact solution is so expensive. Between that and my Zyrtec and my vitamins, I'm like, I can't keep up. It's so expensive for when you have allergies, it's ridiculous. Okay, here's the food. I got a 12 count. I had such a healthy day and then I'm just completely trashing it. So, but that's all right. It's been a few hours and I took my makeup off with a makeup wipe spontaneously. And I've been laying here reading The Golden Couple. I'm on chapter 9, I think. And so far, it's pretty good. I think it's going to be a good one. Chapter 10, actually. And I like it so far. It's February's book of the month. So check out book of the month if you're a reader, because you'll save a ton of money on hardback books. And I'm drinking a bubbly lime seltzer. I swear this one almost has like the taste of a hard seltzer. It's kind of weird. I wanted to go do something social with my friends, but I don't think that's gonna happen tonight. I'm kind of tired and I feel like I just need to save my money for my trip to Nashville that's coming up at the end of March. Even though that leaves me, you know, at home tonight. But it's good to save money. But I really want to go do something. But I'm not going to. I'm going to save the money. Okay, that's it. Decision made.